Record. Well, students, good evening to all of you. So, guys, today we are going to discuss our first class of semester third M.Ed. So, this is the introductory class, right? So, you have to understand what is in our syllabus, and from the next week, right, we will continue our, all the syllabus. So, this is the introductory lecture of M.Ed semester third according to Kurukshetra University, right, guys? So first, what is in the syllabus? I will share this PPT also with you and along with the video lessons with you. Okay, right? Okay, guys. So no need to even write, right? Because even I will share this PPT also with you, right? And also definitely you will get the my video on the YouTube also. So, M.Ed semester third, right? 4 theory papers and 3 practicals, right? Main, you have to understand, you have to appear for 4 theory papers and 3 practicals, right? Paper would happen in the month of the March, same as the, in the previous year, right? So you have 4 month around, right? 4 month and 4.5 month for the study. So there is a ample amount of a time you have, right? So there are 4 theory papers and 3 practical. Now we understand what are our theory paper and what are practicals. So guys, this is a, I have made a PPT for you, right? Just for you ease, so that you will come to know that what is in our syllabus. Okay, this is a easy papers, easy semester. I have seen the syllabus, right? So see first 4 theory paper. First paper is specialization course 1, right? This you have to choose secondary level. Okay, according to the syllabus, we will also see in the syllabus, okay, what are the contents of this paper, specialization course 1. Second paper is again compulsory paper, specialization course 2, right, guys? So we'll see in the syllabus what is in course 2, right? Paper third, even paper 15, right? I have given the name 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. 12 paper you have given, right? In a first semester, you have given the 6 papers, 4 theory paper and 2 practical papers, right? One is communication skill and second is self-development. 6 paper you have given. Second semester, you have also given the 6 paper. So 12 paper you have given. And this is your third semester and paper name is 13, 14, 15, 16. These are the theory paper you have to give, right? So first theory paper is 13, specialization course 1, second is specialization course 2. Okay. After this slide, we see in the syllabus. Okay, don't worry. Third paper or paper 15. Huh, got it now? Because in the paper, it was written paper 15, not the third, right? So paper 15 or third is advanced educational research. Okay, you have studied the research in the paper in the semester 1, right? Now there is a, advanced educational research. Okay, and it is related with the research, you have already done it, and you have the idea of that. So this is also easy paper for you. And fourth paper or 16 paper is a teacher education. Guys, even the semester second, you have studied, some of the contents of the teacher education. Now, after this slide, okay, I will open the syllabus and we will see that, these are the, easy contents of these, all the 4 papers, right? So main in your syllabus, there are semester third mein, there are 4 papers, 4 theory papers or 3 practical papers you have to appear, okay, in the month of March. Paper 1 is course 1, second is course 2, third is advanced educational research, fourth is teacher educations. Okay, now we understand what is in your practical, which is a, compulsory and mandatory, right? Number 1, internship, right? So this is a file, right? Whole of the, 15, 16 lectures, okay, which like in the semester second, you have given into your respective colleges. The same you have to give in your respective colleges. Okay, just here understand, what is in your practical And after this slide, when I will open the syllabus, then we will see what are the contents of the practical. Right, guys? So 3 practical में first practical internship file, 1. Second dissertation, right? Second is dissertation. Last semester you have submitted your synopsis, right? If you remember, right? Synopsis may it includes introductions, review, sample of the study, operational definitions, then hypothesis of the study, usse pehle your research objectives, then delimitations, right? Now what you have to do in the dissertations, I tell you, by seeing from the syllabus. Okay. Third is academic writing, right, guys? Okay, so there are 4 papers and 3 practicals. Okay, now in the next slide, we see that what are the marks of, these all the 7 papers. So guys, these are the marks of all the papers, right? All the 4 papers are of the 100 marks, right? 70 marks theory, 30 marks for practical, right? Again, 70 marks theory, 30 marks for practical. Then again, 70 marks for theory, 30 marks for practical. Fourth paper, 16th paper, 70 theory, 30 practical. Up now see the practical session. There are 3 practical. Na? First is internship, second dissertation, third is academic writing. Okay. Guys, see the 17 paper. Paper 17, which is your final paper, compulsory paper. It is of the 100 marks. Internship. Right? Dissertation is of the 50 marks. 35 theory and 15 practical. Basically 35 and 15s are divided by internal evaluations and external evaluations. Okay, so basically you have to appear for the viva, right? And whatever you have written, you have to give the presentations over there. Third is, guys, academic writing. Okay, again 35 and 15. So guys, M.Ed is a it is a higher level of educations, right? So don't take it lightly, right? Already you have given the two semesters, and third semester is due on March, and even in the next year up to July or August you will complete your M.Ed. Okay, but course contents are very important. Okay, you have to understand. Okay, and if you do by yourself, you can easily give the viva also. Right? So these are the 7 papers. Now we see the syllabus. Okay, syllabus of all the 7 papers, right? So I close this slide and open your syllabus. This is the last year syllabus, same syllabus, okay, which I have already given to you, right? So this is the paper, this is the syllabus of Kurukshetra University. See the semester 3rd. This is the semester 3rd, okay? Just in the ये देखो M.Ed 1113, okay, 13 papers, specialization course 1, right? But you have to opt secondary educations, not the elementary. Okay, paper comes from secondary education. This one, secondary education, paper 13, and this one again, M.Ed 114, मतलब 14th paper, specialization course 2. Okay. And third is advanced educational research. Okay. And fourth is teacher education. Okay. So I have made the slide from here, from your syllabus, right? And 17 paper is, you can see that internship, right? 100 external, 70 internal, 30. Guys, always remember, to know the syllabus is a very much important. This is an important task. You should know that. What are the content of your, semester 3, right? Instead of studying, okay, it would be studying here and there. It would be better. You should know that, right? Because it is a starting, just starting, right? And this is a dissertation, right? Second practical, right? 50 marks, external 35 for internal 15. Again, academic writing, right? So now we see in the detail, right? So in detail, we directly open the M.Ed semester 3rd. this is the M.Ed semester third. Okay, ye dekho, this is the M.Ed semester third, right? But you don't have to prepare from elementary education. You have to start from secondary education. Almost syllabus is same. Okay, ye 113A hai na, you have to you know do from here 113B. Ye dekhiye, right? Specialization course 1, secondary education. Don't worry, I will send you the syllabus after cutting from this PDF. I will send you the separate syllabus. Okay, just today you have to see that. No need to write. Even this PPT I will share with you, and video already, okay, it would be shared with you because it is going to be on uploading on the YouTube, right? So first we see that there are our 4 theory papers and 3 practical. What is in our theory paper? This is a specialization course 1. Okay, guys, just see this. See that there is a very easy syllabus. Here they go. It is on the, that now there are 4 units. School education at secondary, senior, secondary stage, need and importance and aims and objectives. Again, school education at secondary and senior secondary stage, historical perspective and present status. So it is a general, so easy one, right? In a unit second, school education, concept, need and role of school, you have to tell. Then again, you have to talk about the management of the school education at secondary and senior secondary stage. Unit third, mein, it is a curriculum. Okay, we have already, finished the curriculum, even in the B.Ed also, right? Even in the, last semesters, which we have already, cleared, right? So we have discussed that. ये देखो co-curricular activities, right? Unit 4 में method of teaching and use of ICT in teaching. It is again very simple. Okay. And last one is teacher and teaching aids. It is a very simple teaching aids, है ना? You know that. ये देखो ये हो गया, right? And now we see the second one, specialization course second one, but not elementary. We have to see secondary education, right? So this is the secondary educations. Okay. So don't worry, I will cut from this PDF. This is a PDF of a 126 pages. I will cut only the 4 paper, 4 syllabus for you. Okay, just for the easy, and you can get from my Telegram channel, right? Secondary and senior secondary education. And just we want to see what are the contents of the course, specialization course second. You can see that classroom. Right? ये देखो, this is a easy. Already I have discussed with you now. These 2 papers are very much easy. Concept of classroom, classroom resources, classroom environment, management of the classroom, classroom communications and interactional analysis. Right? Second, देखो, school administration. So these all things we have already done in the B.Ed also, right? If you remember, there is a one paper in the B.Ed, school management. Yes, the paper name is school management. So we already done in the school management. Next, fourth one, देखो, managing human resource, duties and responsibility of a head and principal. Okay, guys, you have to reflect on that. Why it is in your syllabus? Because you are going to become principal. Without M.Ed, you can't become a principal. Right? It is written in the CBSE norms, ICSE norms. Okay, to become the principal, you must M.Ed. Right? Because abhi now the inspection has started by the ICSE. IC members are coming in, many of the schools. Okay, they are checking the qualification of the principal even. So that's why, duties and responsibility of the head and principal. Why not the teacher? Because you are going to become principal. And when you see the syllabus of B.Ed, so then, you will see that that is totally for the teacher, right? M.Ed is a, specific for to become a, principal, administrator. That's why, right? You should know that. What are the duties and responsibilities of a head and principal? Because after doing M.Ed, you can apply for the principal actually in reality, right? ये देखो, duty and responsibilities, then evaluation, right? And some issues, concerns in school education. So like, these are 2 easy paper. Third paper is advanced educational research. right? Fourth is teacher education. It is again very simple. So first, in our introductory class, you have to remember we have the 4 papers, 3 practicals, right? Number 1, specialization course 1. Second, specialization course 2. Third is advanced educational research. And fourth is teacher education, right? And 3 practicals are, first is internship, second is dissertation, third is academic writing. Okay, so feel that you have come to know that it will make boost your confidence already. When we know the syllabus and syllabus is on our fingertips now, it becomes easy for us what we have to learn. Now see the contents of the paper, teacher educations, right? Okay, yeah, this we finished. This is the this one we have already discussed, and third is teacher advanced educational research. Guys, just see the syllabus. This is the advanced educational research. Okay, so I will separate make the syllabus for you. This is the advanced educational research. Okay, just see the contents. Right, first, tools and techniques. It is a very much easy. Okay, already I have the notes of all the 4 papers, right? I'll share the notes with you. So here first is written characteristics of a good research tool, questionnaire and rating scales, nothing else, right? And ये third आप देखिए, second, approaches to research. Basically, these are the method of educational research. First is a historical method, descriptive method, and scientific research. These are the methods. Okay, ये देखो both. Even you have to prepare one out of, because 50 marks now you get the waiver of the 50 marks. So any one topic you can prepare with full you can prepare, so you can easily attempt your question, right? Even both topics are easy. Unit second में experiment research and its design, and second is a research report. ये देखो development of a research proposal synopsis. Guys, you have submitted the synopsis in the second semester. Hana, you have made it by yourself and you have submitted. So already you know that. So fourth, so already you know that. No need to go for in deeper. You know that what are how to make a synopsis. Okay, what are the headings are required for the synopsis. Okay, so what the synopsis represents. ये देखो, it is written in the synopsis. And second is a research report of a dissertation and thesis. And now you are working on your synopsis. In the third semester, we have just discussed, you have practical of dissertation also, right? So we'll discuss what is in the dissertation, right? So research report of dissertation and thesis, then characteristics and steps. It is a very much easy, right? Unit third में correlation है, second regression and prediction है. So under the correlation, there are 2 methods. If from all of you, if the students are from the statistics background, so they know that both correlations and regressions are very easy. Okay, if you know the formula of correlation, product movement method, second is a rank difference method, so you can easily put the correlation, right? Second है regression and prediction, right? ये predictions के लिए use होते हैं. Seventh आ गया differentials, test of significance, t test. Even in the semester 1 we are done that. What are the concept of a null hypothesis? You have made the hypothesis in your synopsis, so you should know why we make the null hypothesis. Okay, I ask here from all of you, you can give the answer. Okay, you can unmute, give the answer, then again you can mute that. What is the concept of a null hypothesis? Why you make the null hypothesis? Basically, you make the null hypothesis in order to test your main hypothesis, in order to test your research hypothesis. Then you make the null hypothesis. Anna, please remember that what you have written under the heading of hypothesis of the research, hypothesis of the study, you have written now there will be no significant difference exist between one variable and second variable. Second, you make that there will be no significant difference exists between one variable and second variable with respect to stream, then with respect to locale, right? No means null hypothesis you have made, and basically you test these four null hypotheses you have, generally you have made 3 or 4, right? And then end of the dissertations, when you write the 5th chapter, you will come to know that whether your hypotheses are accepted or rejected, right guys? So guys, I request you, this is a very good syllabus, very easy syllabus, okay? And this is your last class, because M.Ed is the final class, right? And it will serve you up to the whole of your life, right guys? And you can even tell to your teachers also, you can administrator, you can do the all the evaluation, administratorship, each and everything, because after M.Ed, this qualification is required for the principal or head of the school. Standard error, type 1 and type 2 error, we have already little bit we have discussed, but now in this paper we will solve deeply what is a type 1 and type 2 error, one tail test and two tail test, then significance of a statistics, ye to bada easy hai, and significance of a difference between means, percentage and proportion, और last में it is only ANOVA, right? ANOVA की full form क्या होती है? What is the full form of ANOVA? Analysis of variance, ठीक है ना? Even guys, even the PhD level ना, I have given the coaching of वहां पे तो ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, then MANOVA, multiple, analysis of variance, right? So it is only ANOVA, one way, meaning, assumption, and computations and uses, analysis of variance, okay? So we will discuss, don't worry, this is a very easy one. We will understand that, okay? All of the topics. So research part is a very important, part, okay, of your study, because it help you to making the dissertations. And I expect you all should know the contents of, the research paper. So 3 paper we are done. Okay. 4th one is teacher education. This is the teacher education. It is again very simple, because many topics, 50% syllabus you have already done in the semester 2nd. I have seen the syllabus. Yes, just okay. Please, look, all of you. Ye dekho. Unit 1, historical development of teacher education. Right? उसके बाद आप ये देखो कमीशंस आ गए हैं. ओके. यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन कमीशन 48-49. ये देखो मुडालियर कमीशन आ गया. Mudaliar commissions 50 to 53. Mudaliar is the name of the person, na? He was the, I think, vice chancellor of the university, right? He gave the commissions. He recommended the, educations, such kind of educations. Okay, government should, start. Hana? This commission recommended the report in 1952-53. Right? And the persons who made this commission, the name of the person is Mudaliar. Okay, like 1964-66, the name of the person is Kothari, right? Kothari commission. वो next Kothari पर है, ये देखो Kothari भी आ गया in fact. Okay, even I didn't see, I just explaining to you, वो Kothari भी आपके syllabus में है. Then NP, National Policy of Education, then ये revised आ गया, ठीक है, 1992. So very easy. Next देखो Unit 2, teaching as a profession, faculty improvement program. Very much easy. Then aims and objectives of teacher organizations, need of a professional organization. कुछ भी नहीं है ये तो इस पेपर के अंदर आपके, right? Unit 3 देखो, professional ethics. What are the professional ethics? We will explain, we will discuss in terms of teacher and principal. What should be the professional ethics, right? Problems of admissions to teacher education. What is the meaning of that? Teacher education, I have already discussed to you now. Teacher education means B.Ed, M.Ed colleges where these education courses are done, are organized, right? These colleges, if they give admissions to education courses like B.Ed, M.Ed, etc., these colleges are called the teacher education colleges. then what is the syllabus? Problems of admission. It is a very much easy, right? Unit 4 देखिए, area of research in teacher education, school effectiveness, then teacher effectiveness and modifications of teacher behavior. So guys, this is a very much easy theory part, so it is very easy. Okay, now we discuss about our 3 paper, which is the practical part. Okay, so 4 we have discussed. Now number 1, ये देखो, ये आ गया आपका internship. Okay, I open the PPT also, right? Just see the PPT, right? We have discussed the specialization course 1 we have discussed. That specialization course 2 we have discussed. Third is advanced educational research, है ना? You have come to know what is the advanced educational research, right? Under the unit 1 क्या है? Tools हैं, right? Questionnaires हैं, tools हैं. Then second के अंदर आपका आ गया reports, आ गया synopsis, आ गया and dissertations आ गया, right? Report, how to make it, right? And third के अंदर वो आ गया type 1 error, type 2 error, null hypothesis, and fourth में correlation आ गया, है ना? Orally याद हो गया. So what you have to do in the next class, I have to take in the next week. Before that, learn your syllabus also. And trust me, if you know the syllabus, already you will come to know that you have already finished semester 3rd. Right, guys? The problem is that when you see the syllabus at the end, when your exam starts, right? Now you have 4 months, 4.5 months. You have ample amount of a time. You can see that. Paper 15 we are discussed. Paper 16 we have already discussed, teacher education, right? Now we are discussing the paper 17, which is a practical paper. The name of the practical paper is internship. Okay, what you have to do, right? What you have to make, please understand, right? So guys, this is your paper internship, practical paper. So in a practical file, basically you have to make a 3 files. Because 3 practical, you have to make 3 files, right? And if you make the file by yourself, you can easily, give the viva in front of the examiner. Okay. But in a semester 3rd, now you can't skip. Okay. You have to make by yourself. Only then you can clear your viva and you can clear your practical paper. Because just see that under this internship file, what you have to do, you have to make a lessons plan, right? Then preparations of assessment tool. Then, you have to maintain a diary, right? And, any of the community work. Okay. Means I will share the, file with you so that you can get the idea. Okay. Now paper 18. Okay. We discussed the paper 18 in the last. First, we discussed the paper 19, right? Academic writing. Okay. Just see the academic writing. These are all 3 things are in the academic writing, right? But very important. Okay. These are only 3 things, but most important. This will make your base, right? And if you don't make by yourself, here guys, I want to request to all of you, okay, make this file by your hand. Okay. Because many students they outsource the file. Okay. They appoint someone to write for you. And okay, you learn that. But now in this semester, you can't do that. Because if you don't know about it, you cannot clear your practical exam. But it is a very much easy when you make it. And trust me, it is a work of only 3 to 4 days, nothing else. पतली सी फाइल है, right? आप देखो क्या करना है. The name of file is academic writing, right? What are book review? First of all, you have to review the book. So guys, think yourself, if you don't know how to review the book, what are the steps of reviewing the book? Okay. Do you think that you can make your dissertation? Okay. So once you are, this paper is not clear now, so your dissertation paper will not cleared, right? Because if you don't know the reviews, okay, then how you have written the 3 chapters of the dissertation? Because in the semester 3rd now, you have to write the 3 chapters. In the second semester, you have given only synopsis, right? So we generally say that this is the chapter 1 because it contains the introductions, and What are your, operational definitions, research objectives, hypothesis? Okay. So generally we say that this is the chapter 1. Now in the dissertations, you have to write the chapter 2 and chapter 3. Okay. And trust me, chapter 2, the name of the chapter 2 is Review of Related Literature. We will see in the dissertation just now. Okay. So here, if you don't know now how to review the book, how to review the paper, okay, you cannot write your 3 chapters in the dissertation. Okay. So I advise to all of you, do this practical, okay, by yourself. I will help you. I will tell you. Okay. And trust me, this is a work of only 10 to 15 days, nothing else. Right? Then one research article you have to write. Ye dekho, it is written in your syllabus. Okay. For example, you don't write and you appoint someone to write your research article. And when the examiner will ask from you, have you written by yourself? What are the contents? How to write it? From where you have taken this material? Then what you will say? And even he will say that how you have prepared your dissertation also. Got it? And third is critical reflections of any 5 event. So you can mention anything, guys. You have celebrated so many days, right? So you can write over that. Okay. Even I'll, show you, last year, one copy of the file I have. So this is a very easy, it is only, patli si file hai wo banani hoti hai academic writing ki, right? Now, 2 we have discussed. Now we talk about our dissertation. So this is our dissertations, guys, right? So under this dissertation, okay, what you have to write, I just discussed with you. Just give me a second. Sir, I'm taking the class. I call you back, Right, thank you. So under the dissertations, guys, okay, I have already discussed now. In a second semester, you have given synopsis. And I hope you all have cleared your synopsis, You have, cleared. Now you have to start your dissertation. Okay, just see that what you have to do that under the dissertation. This one, guys, suggested activities. Okay, so kya hai? What is one? First is review of related literature, comprehensive review of related literature, right? Selections, development of research tools and collection of data. This thing you have to do in semester 3rd, right? And then submission and presentations of a progress report of research work, including all above mentioned items, right? अब आप ये देखो, in your 3rd paper, advanced educational research, syllabus is the research tool, right? You got it now. So first, you should know about what are the research tools. Only then you can write in your progress report. These are the research tools. And I have used this research tool in my study. Okay. So don't worry, guys. Okay. Just focus on my lecture, right? I will clear all the concept within, 5 or 6 lectures. It is not a big syllabus. Okay. Just for your, understanding, you should know that. Okay. So basically in your dissertation part, 3rd practical, you have to make the 3 lessons, right? First is the introduction, which is almost same as you submitted in the synopsis. Second chapter name is review of related literature. And third is method and procedure. And trust me, okay, if you say to me, ki sir, give me the, any copy, guys, you can make that from the copy because it is a not copy and paste material, right? Because all the students have the different topics. Okay, you have the different methodology, you have the different sample, you have the different variables. So everything you have to write differently. You can just take the idea. Okay, so and it is all based upon your academic writing. That's why I have suggested you all have to make these files, so it would easy for you, and it is a work of only 10 to 15 days, right? Trust me, because rest so you will come to know you can do that, right, guys? So we again open our syllabus. Okay, just see the syllabus. So course, all the 4 paper we are already discussed, and all the 3 practical papers we have discussed. One is internship file, second is dissertation, third is academic writing, right? So all the 7 papers we have discussed. Okay, now we see the last year paper. Okay, last year for theory paper, right? Course 1, course 2, advanced educational research and teacher education. Okay, and trust me, I have already told you, just see the last year paper, because 90% syllabus repeat. Hana, you can see in your second semester and first semester also, right guys? So we open the last year paper. Okay guys, so just see the last year paper. ये देखो, first आपका course 1. I will share these paper with you. Okay, right? Even notes also. Okay, I'll make a solved papers and notes for you also, right? ये देखो, specialization course 1. ये देखो, it is written na, secondary and senior secondary education, right? ये देखो guys, compulsory है ना, you know that first is a compulsory historical perspective of secondary and senior secondary education, need and role of school, co-curricular activities, use of ICT in teaching. और ये out of a 2 you have to attempt 1. ये देखो, दोनों both questions are very much easy. What are the aims and objectives of education at secondary and senior secondary stage, and the present status of secondary and senior secondary education in India? ये देखो, right? Even we know generally, है ना, these are the general paper. 2 papers are general paper. ये देखो, under unit 2 question has come, present the structure of a school education and elaborate the global perspective of school education. ये देखो, ये तो general question है, right? Anybody can write it. 6-7 pages आपको पता है, you know that you have to fill within half an hour, right? Unit 3 is, ये देखो, curriculum के ऊपर आ गया और को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज पे आ गया. कुछ भी कर लो, इधर करिकुलम इधर को करिकुलर एक्टिविटी. एंड लास्ट एड्स के ऊपर आ गया टीचिंग एड्स, और वेरी मच इजी. टीचिंग एड्स चार्ट हो गया, प्लस बोर्ड हो गया, आईसीटीज हो गया, मॉडल्स हो गए हैं, राइट? तो यू कैन इलैबोरेट ओवर दैट, राइट? डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ टीचिंग एड्स, राइट? प्रोजेक्टर्स हो गया, कंप्यूटर्स हो गया, ये भी तो टीचिंग एड्स ही है ना, राइट? चार्ट, मॉडल्स, राइट? 5 तो वी हैव जस्ट डिस्कस्ड. ये देखो, अब करना क्या है, यू हैव टू राइट नीड एंड इंपॉर्टेंस. लास्ट में रोल ऑफ ए टीचर एज ए फैसिलिटेटर. ओके, दिस इज ए इजी पेपर, कोर्स 1, राइट? So we are going to close it and we are to open second one, course 2. ये देखिए, specialization of course 2, right? It is written secondary and senior secondary stage. Again, ये देखो, classroom है ना, we have just discussed the syllabus based upon the classroom, school administration, problems in a school. बताओ, ये तो very easy है. What are the problems in a school? है ना, there are even all there are problems ही हैं, ठीक है ना, एजुकेशन के अंदर. अवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज ए फुल ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, राइट? So no, there is a problem of a curriculum, problem of a teacher method, problem on the perspective of students, problem on the management. There are a lot of problems. अब ये देखिए, यूनिट 1 में what steps do you suggest for effective classroom interaction? ये भी जनरली है, देखा जाए तो, है ना? What steps you suggest for a effective classroom interactions, right? Detail note on management of a classroom with special reference to available resources. ये देखो, अगेन देखो, ड्यूटीज ऑफ टीचर एंड क्लास टीचर. ये देखो, वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, यूनिट 2 में. देन कंसेप्ट, टाइप्स एंड इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ टाइम टेबल, अगेन सिंपल. यूनिट 3 में डिफरेंट टूल्स ऑफ इवेल्युएशन, कितने इवेल्युएशन के टूल्स हैं, टेस्ट हो गया, राइट? ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट हो गया, सब्जेक्टिव टाइप टेस्ट हो गया, ऑरली क्वेश्चंस हो गए हैं. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्ट, टूल्स ऑफ इवेल्युएशन. ये CCCE आ गया, इट्स ए वेरी मच इजी, राइट? लास्ट आ गया, व्हाट आर द कॉज ऑफ अनरेस्ट एंड इनडिसिप्लिन अमंग द स्टूडेंट. और लास्ट आ गया, एक्शन रिसर्च एक्सप्लेन इट्स मीनिंग पर्पस एंड स्टेप्स. ये देखो, ये तो आपको आता है ऑलरेडी. याद करो, इन यूनिट 1 द फर्स्ट टॉपिक, द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ रिसर्च पेपर, राइट? व्हाट इज रिसर्च, व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च? तो वी आर डन ना, देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च, right? So under the 3 types of research, there is a one type of a research which is a action research, right? First one is fundamental research, then applied research, third is action research. So it is a question based upon the action research. ये देखो ये आपका खत्म हो गया सेकंड भी, राइट। तो थर्ड वन इज एडवांस एजुकेशनल रिसर्च। जस्ट सी द पेपर एडवांस एजुकेशनल रिसर्च। ये देखो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ए गुड रिसर्च टूल, तो ऑलरेडी वी हैव जस्ट डिस्कस। डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्सपेरिमेंटल एंड डिस्क्रिप्टिव रिसर्च, ये मेथड होते हैं बेसिकली, तीन मेथड है आपके, हिस्टोरिकल, डिस्क्रिप्टिव और एक्सपेरिमेंटल, राइट। assumption ऑफ कोरिलेशन, ये देखो कोरिलेशन की assumptions क्या होती हैं, वेन एवर यू हैव टू कोरिलेट ना देयर आर सम assumption। तो छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है, ये इजी क्वेश्चन है। वन टेल एंड टू टेल टेस्ट। देन ये देखो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ए रेटिंग स्केल्स आ गया, लिकर्ट स्केल, ये वो सब हम मेंशन कर देंगे वहां पर, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ए रेटिंग स्केल्स। और ये हिस्टोरिकल रिसर्च, ये देखो इजी क्वेश्चन आ गया। तो यू नो दैट एक तो आना ही आना है, इधर हिस्टोरिकल कर लो, डिस्क्रिप्टिव कर लो और एक्सपेरिमेंटल, तीनों को कर लो तो फर्स्ट पार्ट आपका, सेकंड फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट आपका यू हैव फिनिश्ड। नेक्स्ट देखो रिसर्च प्रपोजल आ गया। रिसर्च प्रपोजल लाइक यू हैव मेड द साइनॉप्सिस ना, साइनॉप्सिस क्या है, व्हाट इज साइनॉप्सिस? साइनॉप्सिस इज ए रिसर्च प्रपोजल, ओके। दिस इज कॉल्ड रिसर्च प्रपोजल, साइनॉप्सिस को बोलते हैं, इट इज कॉल्ड रिसर्च प्रपोजल। So guys, these are the questions are being asked. Okay, you are the M.Ed class. It is a senior level of a class. You should know that. Even every day you should, get some time during your course at least, right? So actually we have to update our knowledge. ये देखो लिस्ट वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटल डिजाइन, तो ये भी इजी है, प्री पोस्ट, ओके। एक और होता है राइट। तो इसमें तो प्री और पोस्ट ही लिखा हुआ है बस, एक्स फैक्टो की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहा वो, राइट। ये कोरिलेशंस निकालना है, मैं आपको फॉर्मूला बता दूंगा इसका, राइट। पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव कैसे निकालते हैं, इवन आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो न्यूमेरिकल ना ऑन द बोर्ड, राइट। आई हैव द बोर्ड, इवन आई मेक ए वीडियो फॉर यू, ओके। तो ओनली यू हैव टू पुट द फॉर्मूला, यू विल गेट द आंसर 10 आउट ऑफ ए 10, 100% है आपके, राइट। तो इवन ये देखो ये थ्योरेटिकल भी क्वेश्चन आ गया, एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेडिक्शन फ्रॉम द रिग्रेशन इक्वेशन। इवन न्यूमेरिकल में भी आप ना यू कैन लर्न द थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट, राइट। और लास्ट में ये देखो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्टैंडर्ड एरर, ठीक है, एक थ्योरेटिकल आ गया। और 80 स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम ए ग्रुप ऑफ दिस ए एंड फाउंड दिस 400 कॉट, इज देयर इज अ ट्रू डिफरेंस इन इंसिडेंट ऑफ चीटिंग इन टू कॉलेज, ठीक है। डिफरेंस आपने कैलकुलेट करना है इसमें से क्या क्या है, राइट। एनोवा का फार्मूला ये देखो बता दूंगा, इवन ये तो थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन ही आ गया। एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग ऑफ एनोवा एंड डिस्कस इट्स assumption, ये थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन आ गया देखो एनोवा का। आई एम सरप्राइज्ड, आप ये देखो, तो इट इज इजी फॉर यू गाइस, even if you not good, if all of you not good in the statistics part, तो you can learn the theoretical also, right। ये देखो एनोवा का एक थ्योरेटिकल भी आ गया, एक प्रैक्टिकल भी आ गया। एनोवा का मीनिंग ये होता है, इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मोर देन टू वेरिएबल, ओके। Always remember between two sample mean, between the two means, if you have to find the difference, you use the t test, okay, t test uska formula hai। And if there are a sample mean more than two, okay, then you use the ANOVA, analysis of variance। तो ये देखो there are three method, right, तीन आ गए ना, तो only three में more than two you use ANOVA। वो ANOVA का मेथड है, ये भी सिंपल है आपका, ये भी हो जाएगा। ये खत्म हो गया आपका एडवांस एजुकेशनल रिसर्च भी। डोंट वेरी, ऑल द पेपर वी विल सॉल्व इन डिटेल, राइट, डोंट वेरी। एक एक every line, every character, okay, we will do from A to Z in detail, okay। You will get the notes in detail, all the notes very soon, within a 15-20 days, right। Then last year paper solved also, okay। You just have to attend the classes, okay, classes are very much important guys, okay। So these are the important classes, right। Now see the teacher education। ये टीचर एजुकेशन तो सिंपल ही बहुत है, because you are doing the B.Ed M.Ed from where you are doing, from the teacher education colleges, तो already 50% concept तो clear ही है आपका। ये देखो मेन रिकमेंडेशंस ऑफ ए मोडालियर कमीशंस आ गया ना, मोडालियर कमीशंस 52 53, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर। कोठारी कमीशन कब था, 64 66, न्यू एनपीई 1986, ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर। नीड ऑफ ए प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कंसेप्ट ऑफ ए परफॉर्मल अप्रेजल, मीनिंग ऑफ ए टीचर इफेक्टिवनेस। देखो कुछ भी नहीं है, वेरी सिंपल, मतलब बीएड से भी सिंपल पेपर है ये। Explain a historical overview of a teacher education in India before independence period. Again, very easy, very easy. Recommendations of a NPE. ये देखो, ये तो बीएड से भी सिंपल पेपर है. यूनिट 2 में डिटेल नोट ऑन फैकल्टी इंप्रूवमेंट प्रोग्राम and aims and objectives of teacher organization. थर्ड में डिस्क्राइब इन डिटेल प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स विद स्पेशल रेफरेंस टू टीचर. बताओ इसमें, ये तो वैसे ही है, यू कैन राइट बाय योरसेल्फ व्हाट आर द प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स ऑफ द टीचर, राइट? Timely, he has to come in the class, okay? He has to make the student clear each and every concept. If any student is not understanding, give the extra time, right? Or be, other ethics. We are just, this is the introductory class, we are just briefing, right? So professional ethics aa gaya. Then suggestion what you like to give regarding problems of admissions in teacher education program. Again, easy. What are the problems in teacher education program to take the admissions? Okay. Problem यही है. अभी आप ये देखिए, in a state, there are more than students apply, many students apply, but less get pass. एक तो problem यही होगी first of all. But in some states, less student apply. Okay, whatever the student apply, they got the seat. Even that, seats are, lying vacant. तो ये जो mismatch है, ये भी एक problem ही है. Term the teacher behavior, then school effectiveness, right, guys? So we have also discussed all the 4 papers also, right, guys? And syllabus also. Okay. Then again, I open my PPT. I'm going to close it and open the PPT. So guys, we have discussed, all the 4 papers, theory papers and 3 practicals. Last year papers we have seen. Okay. I will send, each and everything to you. You can get from my Telegram channel also, right? So thank you so much for today's class. Thank you guys.